The Nokia Oxygen Ultra 5G 2026 is shaping up to be one of Nokia's most ambitious smartphones in years, combining flagship-level hardware with the brand's signature design philosophy to make a serious impact on the market. Rumored to feature a large 6.9-inch AMOLED display with high refresh rate and crisp resolution, this phone promises an immersive viewing experience for gaming, streaming, and productivity alike. Under the hood, it's expected to be powered by a top-tier Snapdragon chipset paired with up to 12 GB or more of RAM and generous storage, ensuring smooth performance across demanding apps and multitasking. Photography is a major highlight, with a massive 200MP primary camera backed by versatile secondary lenses and AI-enhanced features for sharp, detailed images and 8K video recording that can compete with the best camera phones available. Battery life shouldn't be an issue either, as the Oxygen Ultra 5G is expected to pack a large battery with ultra-fast charging capabilities, keeping you powered throughout the day and topped up quickly when needed. Add in modern connectivity like 5G, Wi-Fi 6/6E, NFC, under-display fingerprint security, and a near-stock Android experience, and it's clear Nokia intends this model to appeal to both longtime fans and new users seeking a compelling flagship alternative in 2026.